Hi, welcome to my tutorial on Highrise Studio for death triggers. I've already installed a death trigger, but if you would like to install the death trigger component and asset, you can go to Highrise Studio and then Asset Catalog, and then down in the dev modules, you'll find it there. So I've already installed the death trigger into my world. So I'm really just going to be explaining how it works. So to start with, we've got a box collider on our death trigger, which is triggerable. This means that once our player hits the box collider, that it'll trigger the death trigger script. And then we also have the respawn point, which I'm going to move across. Yeah. And this is just a point that you can enter into the respawn point here. And to do that, you just drag and drop it across into that point. Okay, so now if I was to hit play, if I was to walk into the box collider on this cube, it's now going to respawn me at my trigger point. So if I walk back, hit the box collider, and we're back at that respawn point. And I've managed to repurpose this in a couple of games where I've done it in two directions. And used it as a teleport to go behind doors, on platforms, all that kind of thing. So, yeah. That's pretty much all to it. The cube can be changed for any other asset. You just need to make sure that the box collider corresponds with the size of that asset as well. And that's everything for this tutorial. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.